Hello everyone, James Israel Adventures here, and today we're going to be reviewing a Bachmann engine from British Railways, a BR Class 47 diesel engine. Let's take a look at this box first. So, on the back of the box we have some brief history on the engine. I'll let you pause that if you want to have a little read through that. And on the side here we have this engine's logo code. So this one is 31-656 DC. We also have Class 47 Diesel D1677 known as Thor. We also have BR two-tone green. Anyway, let's open this up. Okay, get this plastic sleeve off. Here looks like we have our bag of details. Okay, now that we have the Class 47 out of his box, let me show you some of his details. So we have his nameplate, which reads Thor. If anyone here knows the Thor out there. We also have her running number, D1677. We also have her axle boxes trimmed out in yellow or gold. We also have her double exhaust fence on his roof. We have the British Railways Lake crest on her sides. And on the back we also have the yellow warning panels on both sides, and see if the lights work. And it's pretty much the same in the front. Anyway, let's test Thor's crawl. It's the video you start there. It's just cut out. Okay, like my Class 37, the interior of the cab glows at the front and the back, and she also has working lights. Forwards. I'll be honest, that wasn't quite the best, but good enough. Anyway, let's give this engine some freight. Overall, I've given Thor a heavy goods train to pull. Right then, Thor, off you go. Wrong way. Let's see all the trucks go by. Right, so I think on the inside track I thought it'd be appropriate to run my other Bachmann diesel engine. Right then, 37427, off you go. Right then everyone, enjoy the running session. Overall, that has been my review of the Bachmann Class 47. Till next time, this is James's Railway Adventures, and I'll see you somewhere down the tracks. Dry rails and smooth running. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.